Jam and printer part 2. Open your printer. Open your printer. Or the manual and kill it. There isn't anything. There is not an isn't anything in the print rollers. You might have missed. If possible, try gently rolling the paper, rolling the paper rollers in C rollers to see if they move freely, or anything drops out. Turn the printer off and on again or see if a factory reset helps if the printer has the function. A standard printer, a standard printer, factory reset, factory reset usually involves cooling the power, cooling the power code out for 30 seconds, and putting it back, putting it back, filling in again, putting it back in again. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest new video.